Okay, and for those of you who don't really know how to export and import files on this Dark Tunnel, this is how to go about it. You open the Dark Tunnel. Okay, so on the top right corner over there, this part, you come and click on config. Okay, config here. So if you want to import the file from your phone storage, you click on import. Okay, then if it is on your clipboard, your phone's clipboard, maybe you've copied the file and it is on your phone's clipboard, you select clipboard. Okay, but if it is on your phone storage, then you click on file. So it will take you to the phone storage where your your VPN's the installation folder. Okay, where it is, that's where it will open to. Okay, so you select the particular file that you want to import. Okay, so let's say we want to import this one. Okay, so you just click on it. It will import automatically into this VPN. Okay, and maybe if it is on, or it is in any other folder, you can come to this side. You click on the lines over there. Then you go to maybe the particular place that you saved the file. So you go to the main storage. So if maybe you save it with a particular name, you come to this side, the search then you type the name of it. Okay, so let's say DZ. Okay, you search for the name, everything will come, then you select, you click on it to import it. Okay, so let's go back to how to export it. Okay, the exporting to, you click on the same config. Okay, then you come to export this particular one, export, then you click on file. Good, then here you come and type the name of the file, give a name to the file. By default, this is the name that will come default, so you give the name. So this is one info. Okay, then if you want to lock it, you scroll down like this, scroll down, then you come to this part here. They said lock it, so you click on it to lock it. Then lock SSH account, you click on it to lock it. And if you want to set an expiry date for the file too, you can click on this one, click on this button. Okay, but normally it's not advisable, okay, to set an expiry date for it. If the file expires, it will reflect in the server, so you can't use it anymore. So no need for you to set an expiry date for it. Okay, so this is how to import and export files on Dark Tunnel. Kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on notification. But if you are new to my channel, and kindly check my previous videos for more VPN tutorials. Okay, thank you very much.